How to reset password in Uzum Market. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website at uzum.uz. Next, click on the login button at top right corner of the homepage. Since there is no traditional reset password option, Uzum Market allows you to regain access using a verification code sent to your mobile number. Enter the mobile number linked to your account and click on Get Code. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the code in the required field to confirm your identity. Once the code is verified, you can log in immediately. Each time you want to access your account, Uzum Market will require a new verification code, so make sure your mobile number is active and able to receive messages. This method ensures secure access to your account without needing to remember a traditional password. Now you know how to reset your password in Uzum Market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.